that I offer is humidity level. I need to know what your humidity is in the building. Because if you have too much humidity in the building, guess what? You got potential mold.
Yeah. So, David, I noticed that there's some equipment over there. Do you take pictures of something when you go to their home? What's all that equipment all about? What kind of equipment do you use?
One of the biggest things that is so important is a picture's worth 1,000 words. So one of the first things that I do is I take pictures. So we have the air pump, we have the infrared scan, moisture meter, penetrating, non-penetrating. So yes.
Yeah, lots of high-tech equipment. That I'm sure you need that to adequately evaluate the situation. But what if somebody, calls from out of state and they're worried, but they can't make it to your headquarters in Charlotte? Is there anything they can send you, or is there any process that you can get started with people? They're worried about their mold problem, but they can't come to Charlotte. What can you recommend?